back here with another video. Today I'm been making stuffed bell peppers because since right now it's breakfast time and everyone's hungry, we're gonna be using this. So you're gonna need ground turkey, bell peppers, obviously is in the title of the name, and cream cheese. And don't forget you need your seasonings too, but I'll just tell you as I go. But you also need an air fryer, a knife, and you're also gonna need olive oil spray. So you can have cook your meat first, because we're gonna cook our meat first. Cut up the bell peppers, which my brother has done that, and you're gonna stuff your cream cheese inside your bell peppers, and then stuff the meat also in the bell peppers, and then cook them together, or you can just eat them separate. Depends what you choose. We like to cook ours, so if you choose to not cook it, it's fine. You can eat like that. But so first, we're gonna cook our meat. So let's get started. So right now we're waiting for the pan to heat up. So at the meantime, you can cut up your bell peppers and cut some of the slither meat, because we're gonna need not all the meat. Just need some like that much right here. And you're going to take out your seasonings like basil, oregano, cilantro, obviously salt and pepper. Now you spray the pan. Now we can just start cooking the meat. Make sure you turn your pan or stove wherever you're cooking 8 or 6, and then start cooking the meat. Keep seasoning it.
No! God, please, no! No!
I opened the wrong side.
You did.
Stay out of the kitchen.
It's
fine.
Yeah, this thing hot. I did. It's so hot. While he's stirring that, I'm gonna help as I go. I'm doing this one-handed, guys. So I help season this up. Going with oregano. Basil.
Pro tip, don't stuff while double checking.
Yeah, I would do that. Then going with your salt and pepper. I can't reach over there, so. Okay. Season that up. Now I'm gonna cook it till it's not pink anymore, till it's like a nice dark brown or a light brown, but it's not pink, because pink means it's not cooked. Light brown means it's cooked, and dark brown means it's cooked. So we'll be right back with you guys when this is all finished, and we can get started stuffing the bell peppers. Finish. Now we're going to stuff them. So 3, 2, 1, start. And there you have it, cuties. Stuffed bell peppers with turkey meat and seasoning. You don't need all that much stuff on it. You can sprinkle some little cheese, like Parmesan cheese on top, or you can garnish it with some cilantro or spinach, and that would be like perfect bomb. And also have like a little dipping sauce, like say cheese or salsa, like spinach, cilantro, or kale, because this definitely tastes good with spinach. So try those out. Try my recipe out. Tell me what you like about it, what you don't like about it, what you want to add to it, what you want to like put together with this. I would love to know, so comment down below, cuties, and tell me what you like about it. Don't forget to hit my notification bell to be notified if I post a video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, cuties. Mwah. Cutie out. Oh, I'm definitely gonna eat these. Bye. This is my food now. I'm not giving it to the rest of them. They can eat their stuff. I'm just kidding. Just kidding. Because this definitely can fit feed a whole family meal. Depends how much peppers. Like if you have the big bell peppers, you might just need you might need 6. Depends. Since there's 5 people in our house, we're gonna need 6. And we have 2 spare. We cut them in half, and everyone gets one. If they want to come back and get another one, that's okay. So just try that. But I hope you enjoy it. I'll see you guys next video.